Alright guys, I'm back. Now, what I did was I got 4 pieces of aluminum foil and tore them off because I had 4 burgers. So I don't have enough room to line everything up, but I've got 2 here. This is the first one. So you put your meat, and then what I'm gonna do, I've got some salt, but you don't have to do this. You can salt and pepper it at the end, but I want a little bit of salt on the meat, you know, just, and then some cracked pepper. Put it on the other side. Okay, so then, let's see, let's get this out of the way. Then we're going to put on some potatoes that I sliced earlier, but I just go ahead and layer them on. That's what I'm gonna do, like this. And I have enough. Okay, maybe, yeah, one more. Then we're gonna put on some, in fact, let's go ahead and salt that a little bit too. And I had baby carrots, that's what I had. So I cut them in half, and tried to cut them a little even more to get them thinner, but I didn't want to put just the whole thing. I didn't know if it would take too long to cook. So then I got the carrot, and then I'm going to put the onion on. I got a good onion. Here, put this ring. Ooh, this is really, you know, it cooks at 375 for an hour. Okay? Okay, so we got that. All right. I could not find rosemary. Let me wipe my hands, wash them. I could not find rosemary in the freezer because I freeze all of it in Ziploc bags. But, hang on there. Just trying to get my hands washed. So, anywho, we'll put this on like this. It's still going. Okay, so what I want to do is first, it doesn't call for this, but I'm going to put some butter on it. All right? So I'm going to slice it because I want that to melt down into the vegetables. All right? So we're going to put that like that. That looks plenty. And then I chopped some fresh parsley, so I'm going to put that over it like that, and then we just put the whole thing on. And then what I found was thyme. I had thyme that had been fresh, then I put it in the freezer. It's still got a few little stalks on there, and whippersnappers, get away, you don't want to be in this. Okay, so then there's quite a few, but okay, so we're going to put on some fresh thyme. Oh, and it smells so good when it started thawing after it came out of the Ziploc bag. It smelled really, really good. So then I'm going to put a little bit more salt on it and a little bit more pepper. Doesn't that look pretty? I think it looks kind of pretty, and your kids, if they do it, all they got to do is just stack it up, you know, on the hamburger. Just slice stuff, the potato thin, the carrot, it depends on if you got the long ones or the baby ones, but try to make them thin, but be careful with the knife with them. That's, you know, and then the onion. But anyway, so we got it set up. So we're going to wrap it. And I think the best, I'm going to turn it this way. And see, we've had these on the, when we've been camping when the kids were little, and it was put on the fire, but it was indirect heat. And it really tasted so good. But of course, you're more hungry out there when you're camping and gathering wood for a fire and getting the place all set up. I always swept everything with a broom and got my little section set up outside the camper. Loved it. Good memories. Good memories. Okay, so it's like a little boat, isn't it? Zoom, zoom, zoom. So anyway, we're going to put this, I'm going to do the rest of them. And then I'll get back with you after they've been baked and we'll see what they look like.